Hey guys, Marlon from In-Person Computers, and today we have an unboxing video for you guys about the RTX 3090 from PNY, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Alrighty guys, so in the front you're gonna have some of the specs of what's included in this RTX 3090. You got that nice logo of the XLR8 gaming powered by PNY. You get the nice GeForce RTX 3090. This does support the LSS and ray tracing, which is a lot of power when you're gaming. You can save performance and all that good stuff, but we leave that up to you. Now, this is the 24 gig 3090. It can run up to 8K resolution if you want to do that, and it can support up to 4 monitors with a 3-year warranty, and it does have RGB. On the other side, you got the same specs, and in the back, you're gonna have some information about this particular video card. And some of the features that it's got in there, so we will leave that up to you guys. Now moving on the other end, it's the same as the other side, and all the way at the bottom you're gonna have some information about the warranty and if you want to contact PNY with your UPC code and serial number. So let's go and jump into the actual unboxing. Alrighty guys, if you flip the box, we're gonna have your tab where you can open it up, take this apart. And at this point, we actually have the video card in here. You're gonna have your quick installation guide. If you want to go ahead and take a look at that, we'll leave that up to you guys. Put that on the side, and you get this nice foam package as usual, or all of the video cards. And this is it. This is the front of the actual video card. So let's go ahead and open it up here. You're gonna have your sealing sticker in there as well. And as you open it up, we will see this massive video card. So this has triple fans, as you can tell, with XLR as well on it, the design of the actual PNY, and this right here looks like it's RGB, so this will light up. And in the front, this also looks like an LED, so this might actually do all the colors and all that good stuff. Now for this video card, it's required to have a minimum of a 750 watt power supply in order to run it. So make sure you guys have a good power supply. This uses dual 8-pin connections, and it does have a plate, so you get to cover all that stuff from the actual chip. You do have your basic rubber cover at the very top of the PCI Express and the top of the SLI. These are the connections. It has a triple DisplayPorts, 1 HDMI, PNY sticker in there, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a very powerful video card. It's a very big video card, so make sure you have plenty of room when you get to install this into your machine. So at this point, we'll go ahead and shot some quick videos so you can take a look at the actual video card. So thank you so much for watching.